Hell, YouTube, this is your president, the presidential terrorist, back with another exciting video. I picked this up. This was kind of unexpected, but I decided to get it at the last minute because it was on sale. And this is a Sega Genesis Mini. It's preloaded with a whole bunch of games. I think like 42 games. It's going to be an unboxing video. Looking pretty awesome. Regularly this was like $79, but it was on sale for $59, and I decided to get it. I got one of these before. It was a different console, and I decided, no, I'm just going to get it. It's on sale. And I regret not getting the Super Nintendo one, which I haven't seen in the store for a long time. So I may eventually have to order it. But I wanted to get this as long as it was there, and it was on sale. I only had a few left. So I'm going to do an unboxing video. Let's open it up here on camera. Looks cool. I remember using this when I was a kid. Here's plug. Cabling. I have this as a kid, and one of the best games ever was in the Sega Genesis. And I have it, just not with me right now. I no longer have a Sega Genesis actually playing on. But it was a space exploration game. The map was huge. It was like an entire universe to explore. Such a cool game. And I still have it. The actual game, not the Genesis, like I said. Okay. Wow, this is cool. Controller. Look how big that thing is. Wow. This brings back memories. Looks like there's two controllers. This is cool. There's the other one I got. And I did. You know what? Did I even upload that? Yeah, I think I did. I'll just put a link to it below. The other one. I only came with one controller. Another controller. More cabling. This is connected to the TV. Brings back memories. Tell ya. Here's the directions, which I'll go through in a minute. But here it is. Look how cool. One time I got to get one that actually plays actual games. If I could play that game, maybe pick up some old ones. So it'd be great to just play some of the old games for the memories. Nostalgic purposes. Of course, kids these days probably think this stuff's so old and crappy. I guess when you have the realistic games they have today, yeah, it probably is. But look at that. Oh, isn't that cool? This thing is Sega Genesis. This brings back... It has a slot where you could put a thing in. I think that's just... Yeah, this little door actually opens, see? See? But I think it's just for show. There's nothing there to connect the game to. So they have the, like I said, preloaded games. Let's see, they have a volume here. On, off, reset. Wow. Very lightweight, not much to it. Let's go over the directions quickly and I'll show you what games are actually in this. Nice. Instruction manual. Thank you for purchasing a Genesis Mini. Be sure to read the manual thoroughly before you begin playing. Okay. Connections and startup. I mean, very basic stuff. I mean, you don't really need to look at this during gameplay. That's basically it. The rest of this is the same thing in various languages. Probably Spanish and French, I bet. Yeah. Yeah, the rest of this is just nothing much. I mean, I didn't really think there would be much to it. And here's all the games in back. Beyond Oasis, Heady, Road Rash 2. Wow. Golden Axe, Sonic Spinball, Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic the Hedgehog 2, Space Harrier 2. Jeez. This really makes me feel old. It's from the Genesis 30th anniversary. 40 games plus 2 bonus titles, and 2 bonus titles are Tetris and Darius. I'll show you. If you're old like me, you recognize some of these. That's cool. I'm definitely going to be playing this probably today. Wow. Brings back memories. First gaming console I ever played was back in the 80s. It was the Atari. And I still have an Atari floating around here. Probably does not work. I have a crap load of games. One time I need to pick up one that actually works and place them. Then there was the Nintendo, not the Nintendo 64. It was the I forget what it was called. I got in the early 90s. That I no longer have that console. I tossed it away a little over 20 years ago, and I regret doing that because it had a short in it. It still worked. Had a short. I was always afraid of electrical stuff happening bad. I wish I would have kept it. At least I would have had it to look at. Eventually I want to get a new one of those and actually play the games. That's my goal. Let's just spend the money into that stuff. I just happen to have the money now to be able to get this, and it was on sale. So I'm quite excited, but okay, it's a quick unboxing, and that's it. I mean, there's really not to it. It's basically plug and play. I mean, it doesn't take much to do this. The old one was probably a little bit more complicated to plug in than this is, but these are really very simple. But okay, just want to do a quick unboxing video for this Sega Genesis Mini, which I'm very excited to be playing right now. And that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a nice day. And if you have any comments or questions about this, how it plays and everything, let me know. I'm sure it'll play okay. Okay. That is it. Thanks for watching. Everyone has a nice day, and look forward to talking again soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.